Hello, little artists! We're back with the Saja boys from Huntrix. We've already drawn Genu, Abby, Baby Saja, and Romance Saja. And now it's time for the most mysterious one of them all. Mystery Saja. Grab your pencils, follow my lines, and let's uncover the secrets behind this quiet, powerful hero together. Mystery Saja doesn't say much, but his eyes tell stories, and his moves speak louder than words. He's calm, brave, and full of hidden strength. Every line we draw will reveal a bit more of his secret power. Keep your colors ready. We'll use deep blues, dark purples, and silver tones to bring his magic to life. Are you ready? Let's draw Mystery Saja. Step by step together. All right, little artists, it's time to color Mystery Saja. I'm going to use marker pens because I really love how smooth and bright they look, especially for anime-style characters like this one. But you can use any coloring tools you want, crayons, pencils, paints. They'll all look amazing. The secret to making your art look super cool is to color the base first and then add shadows on top. That's how anime-style drawings come to life. So get your favorite colors ready. Dark blues, purples, and silver tones work perfectly for Mystery Saja. Now follow along with me and let's color together. If you liked this drawing, don't forget to like this video. It really makes me happy. And of course, subscribe to my channel so you won't miss the next member of the Saja Boys team. You can find all the Saja Boys and other Huntrix heroes in my channel's playlist. Go check them out. Keep your pencils sharp and your imagination bright, because many more exciting drawings are on the way. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.